You in the presence of the finest, seems like there's no effort. I try my best the way I'm shining, feel like I'm an expert. I got the heart and now I'm flying for a life that's better. I want the cheese, the mozzarella, yes I want the cheddar. I'm so fly, I don't gotta brushing up my feathers. I'm so high that I'm standing on top of weather. And what I mean is about my self-esteem. I just hold myself between good thoughts. What you need, want rocks and the beats. I'm playing.
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to Bar Department. This is your boy Fave. Thank you if you made it back. In today's video, I have a buzz cut with the lever all the way open with the 4 guard on. As you can see, I'm coming the hair into its natural shape and I'm gonna go back against the grain. Let's get this.
X-slap this.
Making sure you get the crown area real good. Stay consistent with the short strokes around that area specifically because you don't want any little hair sticking out after the haircut. To give myself a sharp defined hairline, I got my number 2 guard with the lever all the way open. Just make sure you don't go in too far. Remember, just flicking it out at the hairline. In order for me to see what I'm doing, I gotta clean out my canvas, and that means take the bulk out before I put in my actual first guideline. And as you can see, that is what I'm doing right here. With my lever all the way open, I'm using short consistent swipes. As you can see, remember, you want to create soft lines, not hard lines. It's going to make your job way easier in the end. With my lever halfway closed, as you can see, my main focus in this part is to take away that line and smoothing it out, making sure that there is no weight lines whatsoever, because this one's going to make my fade or break it. Just think of it as a house. If you have a bad foundation, the house is not going to last. If you have a good foundation, your house is going to last forever. It's going to last you a long time. But I'm going to stay consistent with short, consistent strokes. I just want to put this out there real quick. The technique that I'm using right now is really simple and easy to use. As you can see, I got my lever all the way open with my 1 guard, jumping down to a half guard, starting out with the lever all the way open. I'm just going to focus on the dark spots. So I think the darker the spot, the more I close the lever. The same is going to be with the 2 guard. I'm going to jump back to a 1.5 guard. And the same is going to be with the 1.5 guard. Jump down to a 1 guard. But remember, always keep the lever open. There is less room for error in that. So to finalize this part of the haircut, my main focus is going to be attention to detail. As you can see, I got my thinning shears, point cutting, basically just softening up any dark spots and any weight lines. To avoid any irritation or any razor bumps, make sure that you go really light-handed with the full shaver. To avoid pushing this line back, I'm going to set my first guideline right in the middle. Since this is the darkest area, I can use it to give myself an idea of how the whole front would look. Make sure you choose the lowest side of the lineup to start. That way you can even out the low side to the high side and avoid pushing the higher side first.
X-slap this.
Thank you if you made it to the end of the video. Here's the end result. Let me know if this was hot or not. Please give me any suggestions on any haircut that you would like for me to do. Also, if you haven't, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time a new video is uploaded. My Instagram account will be in the description below so you can see more cool content. Thanks and God bless.